In a mesmerizing intersection of technology and imagination, the future of air travel is unfolding before our eyes. This video titled Revolutionizing Air Travel, 10 Future Aircraft Concepts is going to take us on a captivating journey through 10 cutting-edge aircraft concepts that promise to redefine the way we perceive and experience transportation. Let's delve deep into the intricate details of each concept, exploring the engineering marvels and innovative designs that make these aircraft visions a potential reality. Bellwether eVTOL. The Bellwether eVTOL emerges as a beacon of urban air mobility, seamlessly blending the allure of a flying car with advanced propulsion technology. Powered by renewable electricity, it boasts a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour and an impressive 90-minute flight time. With a capacity of up to 5 passengers, the Bellwether eVTOL envisions a future where cityscapes are navigated with unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. Xturismo. Enter the Xturismo, a luxury aircruiser that blurs the lines between motorcycle and drone. With a hybrid system featuring an internal combustion engine and 4 battery-powered motors, this hoverbike propels into the realm of science fiction. Priced at $680,000 and currently exclusive to Japan, the Xturismo introduces a new dimension of luxury in aerial transportation, combining speed and elegance. Klein Vision Aircar. The Klein Vision Aircar transcends the boundaries of conventional transportation. With the ability to transition from an automobile to a plane in a mere 3 minutes, this 2-seater marvel utilizes an ordinary BMW engine, reaching speeds of 170 miles per hour in the air and 200 kilometers on the ground. Having flown for 35 minutes between cities, it's not just a concept, but a tangible product set to redefine personal air travel. Orb Nomad. Orb Aerospace introduced the Orb Nomad, an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for a single passenger. Boasting high reliability and intuitive operation, the Nomad prioritizes safety with dual flight controllers and power packs. With a mission to serve humanitarian, catastrophe, and transportation needs in unserved regions, Orb Nomad presents a potential game-changer in aviation technology. Zhang AOH HTX-3. The Zhang AOH HTX-3 presents a visionary approach to transportation with its modular design comprising ground and air modules. The ground module, an extended-range electric vehicle, enhances load capacity and off-road performance. The air module, a pure electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, offers a panoramic cockpit experience. As a seamless, flexible travel solution, Zhang AOH HTX 3 imagines a future where vehicles effortlessly transition between ground and air travel modes. Xpeng SX2. The Xpeng X2 emerges as a sleek, futuristic flying car promising zero-emission, electric-powered vertical takeoff and landing. With a minimalist teardrop-shaped cockpit providing a panoramic view, the X2 is designed for low-altitude airspace exploration. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this innovation is poised to offer a fast and convenient mode of travel in urban areas, promising to turn dreams of efficient urban mobility into reality. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet stands at the forefront of the silent, efficient, and environmentally friendly electric vertical takeoff and landing. With 36 electric motors integrated into its wing flaps, this futuristic aircraft aims to connect people and locations swiftly and comfortably. Successfully completing numerous test flights, the Lilium Jet positions itself as a tangible and imminent player in the transformation of air travel. Airbus Pop.Up. Airbus Pop.Up introduces a modular transportation system envisioning a seamless blend of land and air travel. With a passenger capsule that connects to either a ground or air module, Airbus Pop.Up leverages artificial intelligence to manage journey complexities, providing a sustainable, zero-emission mode of urban transportation. This visionary concept challenges traditional travel norms, offering a glimpse into a future where the skies are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Aeromobile 3.0. Aeromobile 3.0 steps into the realm of reality as a commercially available product, seamlessly transitioning from road vehicle to aircraft in less than 3 minutes. The sleek design and luxurious features underscore its evolution from a supercar to a flying car. Equipped with a ballistic parachute system, autonomous flight option, and sophisticated avionics system, Aeromobile 3.0 heralds a new era of adventurous and visionary exploration, breaking the boundaries of conventional transportation. Velocity. Velocity presents a vision of urban mobility through electric flight, leveraging its 18 rotors and quiet operation to navigate congested cityscapes. With speeds reaching up to 110 kilometers per hour, this electric helicopter is poised to revolutionize urban transportation, providing access to vital hubs while bypassing traffic and pollution. Volok City, the first series model from Volocopter, set to begin commercial flights in 2024, represents a tangible step toward a future of efficient, sustainable, and rapid urban mobility. The aerospace industry is witnessing a renaissance, fueled by groundbreaking innovations and a collective vision for a future where the skies are no longer a limit but a canvas for boundless possibilities. From flying cars to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, each concept discussed unveils a piece of the intricate puzzle that is reshaping the way we think about air travel. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the future of air travel. Which aircraft concept amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest innovations. Safe travels into the future, and we'll catch you in the next video.